as he gets Brian Russell with a quick crossover. Look at Brian Russell slips, and Michael pulls up and buries the shot to give him a 1-point lead.
That may have been, who knows what will unfold in the next several months, but that may have been the last shot Michael Jordan will.
Hello YouTube, this is Alexander coming to you with another video. This time I'll be restoring a pair of Last Shot 14s. Let's get into it.
This is a Chicken Mango Talk Show.
Hey guys, before I start the restoration, I have to clean the shoes because they're dirty and very beat. So first I want to remove the shoelaces. Alright guys, before I start the restoration, I want to clean the shoes with Jason Mark Premium Cleaner. I'll be using the soft bristle brush for the suede and the hard bristle brush for the midsole. Let's get into it. I forgot to say that before I clean the shoes, I want to stuff it with newspaper so I can give it a better shape and it'll be easier for me to clean and paint. So let me do that real quickly. Okay, now let me get to the cleaning part. Alright, now that I cleaned the shoe, I'm going to get rid of some of this black paint right here so I can repaint it. So let's get into it. Well, the thing that I'm going to be using is nail polish remover, or you can use acetone, which is in nail polish remover, to get rid of the black paint. So here. And now I'm gonna start repainting the shoe with the Angelus flat black paint. Let's get into it. And now that I finished my first coat, I want to add a second coat of black paint. Okay guys, I'm gonna let this dry. When I'm done drying, I'm gonna get back to it. Okay guys, now that the shoe's done drying, I'm gonna glue back this part right here, cause it needs it. Also, this side over here, and this right here. So let me do that real quick. Okay guys, I finished gluing it. It's not coming off anymore. And this side as well. So I'm about done. Now I'm gonna add new laces to the shoe, because the old ones were kind of nasty. I got the same kind of laces, so let me add these real quick. Okay guys, I'm done with this shoe. Turned out very well. Let me show you the final result. Okay guys, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And here's the new one. Here's the old one. Would you rather have this one or this one? That's what I thought.